dosa, masala dosa, tawa dosa, paper dosa, neer dosa, ghee dosa, butter dosa, and what not.
Nah, it's all the old school. You know, Bengaluru has gone crazy for the weirdest and wildest taste. Like, you know, pav bhaji dosa, ice cream dosa, gold dosa, silver dosa, and noodles dosa. Be any different between the noodles and the pav bhaji?
But I think this has a typical Haji ka
Yes, yes, that flavor is coming,
very
yes.
strong. This is silver,
Silver, and
but it
yeah.
looks like gold.
Have cashews and
Yeah.
potatoes.
Used any dating app?
I have seen so many incidents happening, right? On app, they met on app, and then again she'll get to know that he's already married, but he's on app.
One misconception that people have about you.
That I have money, I'm rich already.
So on today's episode of Tere Gali, may I, along with the relatability queen, Varsha Kaveri, we are going to explore some of the weirdest dosas of Bengaluru.
We are going to try it out for you, and let's see if it is a treat or the torture.
So,
Are you excited for this?
oh yeah, I can't wait to try, man.
Adna, ಒಂದು ಪಾವ್ ಭಾಜಿ ದೋಸಾ, ಒಂದು chocolate dosa, ಒಂದು noodles dosa.
We are really going to do this?
Yes.
What is the best thing about Bangalore and what is the worst thing about Bangalore?
Best thing is here, you can see right now, like we can shoot anywhere we want. Everybody are like friendly and they treat us very well. The worst thing is, of course, everybody knows it. They say it is traffic. We can't come on time. As you know, I told you I'll come by 1:30, but it has become 2 o'clock.
You know, what are your favorite hangout spots here?
I go to, you know, Rameshwaram Cafe sometimes, and
You love Rameshwaram?
Yeah.
Be honest.
Oh,
Like your content.
yeah, like okay, but one time try is fine because I don't like so much of ghee because I'm dieting. So it's okay. That
Okay, tell me something that your mom cooks that you just really
my
love.
mom like upma.
Ah,
I love upma. Yeah, I do love. But people don't like upma so much. I don't know why, but I love upma.
So you
Yeah.
can cook?
Yeah,
Wow.
I love cooking. And
Oh,
I love cooking. I
wow.
do cook. You know Ambur biryani also.
I
right?
know
Like
Ambur
I cook very good biryani.
Dosa ready hai? Arey
Ready
wow.
aita? I feel the weirdest is like chocolate dosa because I have never tried. Pav bhaji and these are like masalas, no? It is like kind of same masala dosa, I feel.
Correct.
Let's try.
So let's try chocolate only first.
You love chocolate? You told you
Because
like pav bhaji.
I'm feeling like a dare. Like, try this and check. Like, dare you to do it.
I tried pani puri with chocolate one
Yeah?
day and it was like so much weirdest taste. And even with the rice with chocolate, I tried sometime. Like there was this
Rice
day-
and chocolate?
Yeah.
Yuck.
it was the weirdest kind of thing I have ever tried. Yeah,
Have you
to
tried
try.
tomato sauce with rice?
No.
Yeah.
I know you tried. Don't tell me.
Yeah, I
have
tried.
you tried? Oh.
I didn't like it. So you tried the chocolate dosa with chutney. How was it?
Oh God. It is nice. It's like a sweet and a spicy. Everything is mixture of it.
Good or bad?
It is good.
With chutney?
You have to try it with chutney. No,
She's behind me, like you have to.
no, she had to.
Okay, coconut or green?
Both
Both.
because I tried both.
She's like, I went through the torture, you also
you
go through
also, yes. No,
I don't like this.
but only with like without chutney, it is really good. You have to try without chutney. You try again.
I am not liking this dosa and chocolate ka
Chocolate,
combo.
it's kind of like,
Huh.
but you try like a normal. That is like, no.
No. Weird for me is the ghee and chocolate.
Yeah, true. The ghee made it little weird.
Yeah, little weird.
Yeah.
So are these something, Varsha, a true Bangalorean would approve of these?
No, actually, Bangaloreans, we love Mysore masala dosa. It is like traditional one. We like that, and onion dosa, ghee dosa. But these are the like new which have come to the Bengaluru.
I don't know, I'm having dosa or I'm having noodles. That's nice. I like this.
I like spicy, so
Same,
This is spicy.
same. This, I think, if let's say on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being worst, 10 being best.
best.
I think this is good 8,
8.
Eight?
I can give 9.
9. I think this is pretty tasty.
Yeah, it is nice.
So what do you think, Varsha, where do we get the best dosas in Bengaluru?
Best dosas, actually, you should never try in a hotel like a 3-star, 5-star. You should never try dosas there because it's always bad. You have to
Okay.
always try at like this kind of
local shop.
Yes, local shop, local centers. There only you'll find the best dosas. Let's try the pav bhaji one. I didn't actually feel any difference between the noodles and the pav bhaji.
But I think this has a typical that bhaji ka
Yes, that flavor is coming,
very
yes.
strong. That
Yeah.
bhaji ka flavor is very strong.
Only the pav is missing, no?
Only the pav is missing. Like we are having just bhaji.
Bhaji, yeah. She told that she loves pav bhaji, and actually she is only trying that. She is not touching this too.
Man, this is good. Worst is chocolate dosa. For sure, any day. This I'll rate like a -100. I'm just being honest, man.
Chocolate,
Bro.
all the chocolate lovers would hate you now.
But bro, imagine having ghee and chocolate. Like,
That is what making it so weird. I know.
yeah. So
next-
that is this. This, the pav bhaji and the noodle dosa I like. But if I have to choose, if you're putting me in that spot, I will choose pav bhaji.
Pav bhaji.
What about you?
I like noodle.
How much would you rate noodles?
Because you know why I like this? This is like a little bit like the lesser spice, but this was like really
More
spicy.
spicy.
It was
Ah.
really good. So I would rate this 9.5.
Oh, it's very good in fact.
9.5. Yeah, it's
Okay.
very good. 9.5.
Okay.
And the pav bhaji one, I would give 8 because I like pav with bhaji only, not dosa. so, and chocolate, I can give 4.
Matlab,
4.
okay, okay.
Yeah, 3 and 4. Yeah, that's it.
Is it like only me who found it so bad?
I think kids can try it because they love weird taste sometimes.
Yeah, for sure.
So-
Like, what was one of the embarrassing moments that you had?
I used to get nice hitting from this chargers belt.
You can't beat me. I have got beaten up with, Belan.
Yes,
Yeah.
that
Belen?
is all like a old school kind of
school,
thing.
yeah.
For me it was like all charger belt and some wires. Only this.
So, how was your college? Like, were you bullied? Were you very introverted? Like, how was it? Laughing, man. I'm telling you, were you introverted? Were
I
you
was
bullied? Ha ha ha.
I was bullying others.
No wonder the laughter. Tell me.
I was bullying others.
Now, I am gonna tell you a few myths about Bangalore. You have to bust them for me.
I'm all yours. Yeah.
So, the first myth, you need to speak Kannada in Bengaluru to survive.
Actually, it's not a myth, it's true. We have to speak Kannada, they say, because it's Karnataka and at least, see, I know Hindi actually. I can speak Hindi, I can speak Telugu, Tamil, everything. Whichever state I go, I speak in that language because they'll feel comfortable and they'll feel that connection. Like, what if Hindi goes away from India? Like, you can't accept that. Like, it's the same thing from Karnataka also, they don't want that to be going
But do
away.
you
So,
actually feel if somebody has come here from outside and they have not learned the language, are they actually disrespecting Karnataka?
No,
What do you
it doesn't mean like that. See, but
So
you
now-
can learn now. We are friends and like of course
Yes.
I'll teach you Kannada and we'll learn Kannada.
Okay.
Artha aita?
Attaitu.
She didn't reply.
I told you, I know. Teach me Kannada, no?
Enta
Enta
ಮಾರಾಯರೆ
ಮಾರಾಯರೆ
ಹೀಗೆ
ಹೀಗೆ
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ.
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Matlab, you're not getting what I'm telling, kya?
You don't have mind.
Ah.
That's it. You can say this.
Got it.
Okay,
Enta
it's like,
ಮಾರಾಯರೆ
ಎಂತ ಮಾರಾಯರೆ ತಲೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ,
ತಲೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ.
ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ.
ಎಂತ ಮಾರಾಯರೆ
ತಲೆ
ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ.
ಹಾ.
Yes, I did it.
Wow, awesome, great.
Bengaluru is just about nightclubs and pubs.
Yeah, it is a true thing only. Yeah, because you know there are some places like Kormangla. They say I used to say in Kormangla, like I used to stay there. That time it was not a pub and it was not a nightlife. Now it has changed to nightlife. I don't know how this.
Okay, so
there
the
are
next
few
one.
things. Yeah.
Traffic makes life impossible in Bengaluru.
Yeah.
Everything here is only about IT and tech.
No, there are so many other jobs also.
Now the final one is everything in Bangalore is super expensive.
I don't think so.
No?
No, I don't think so. It's not expensive. It is okay. But how the price in Kolkata? I'm asking you.
Kolkata is very affordable. I can have a proper lunch in Calcutta in 30 rupees, 40 rupees,
Here
50
also you
rupees.
can have. I can take you.
Acha. Oh.
There are places where you can buy for 30 rupees, 40 rupees. It's really good. It is like a homely food where you
Okay.
don't get any stomach upset. Nothing you will get.
I
Okay.
want to try the next spot. Tell me, where are we going next?
Let me take you to one place. So, have you tried the gold dosa and silver dosa?
Gold dosa.
Yeah.
I wear gold, but I have not had gold.
You are a gold. You are a gold.
Oh my God, Varsha.
Because you spoke Kannada, you can reply in Kannada.
Oh.
So
Wow.
she is a gold, of course. And okay,
Okay.
let me take you to that place now. Let's go.
Lovely. I want to try gold dosa.
So it's a golden dosa and a silver dosa.
As we wait, so I want to know, what do you think, like as a true Bangalorean, what is the most important thing in a dosa? Like the crispiness, the chutney, or the sambar?
The chutney and sambar is also important.
Choose one. Yeah, you
One.
can't be so diplomatic.
The chutney, no, it should be yum.
So tell me, like, how content creation happened. Like, how did you start all these?
So I actually I didn't wantedly do the content creation. I just went with the flow. At the start, I was doing the dance videos, everything. At that time, I used to do lip sync videos and transition. I don't know how many of you remember that. The transition for us at that time, it was like with the hand movements, with the phone, and we used to turn. You remember that?
Yeah.
You know, like it's like a full turning the phones and all. But now the transition is like changing and swiping, and it's like okay, transition, changing dress. It's like that. This content I should take more, and then I started about the makeup, and then I went to the fashion. That too recently it started everything.
When did you start content creation, like initially?
When I was in 10th standard, I actually didn't have phone. My friend had a phone. Like you know, at my home, parents didn't know that I was doing videos and all. It was like, oh, she's studying, that's it. When I go to my friend's home, they'll think as okay, she's studying. But my friend, what she did was she used to make me ready and she used to put makeup, everything. I had zero knowledge on makeup and fashion, everything. But she made me get ready and she used to make the video and all. She used to select song, everything, edit, everything she'll do. Just I'll post it, that's it. That too, the Instagram login, everything was on her phone. I didn't have anything. It was
Such
like
good friends she has.
Yeah, till
half
now-
of our friends feel like, gotta do it by yourself. So
So-
this is back in which year did you start content creation?
2016.
2016 you
Yeah.
started.
And
Were
then-
you working somewhere?
Yes. I used to earn 6,000
Yeah?
per month. Yeah, 6,000 per month. That too. Morning also, I used to work for 3 hours, and evening after college, everything. Evening again, I used to work for 3 hours. So it was like 6 hours, 6 to 7 hours of work, and I used to get 6,000.
In this schedule, where did you fit in content creation?
Yeah, at college time also, it was like rarely I used to do. It was I didn't have mobile. I told you, no. Then later on, when I started earning from this, no, then I thought, okay, I'll buy a phone from EMI. Then I took my first phone. Till now, I have that phone. Surprising thing is, the first phone which I took, it's really like connected to me, and the same brand is coming for me again and again for the like a collaborative. Like I
Wow.
always get. I really love the presentation.
This is an edible foil, that is what I was
Yes.
told.
Serving bowl is also different.
Oh yeah, this is silver.
Silver, and that
And
is
this is
gold.
the
Like the copper,
at least
yeah,
the
gold.
yeah, but it
Yeah.
looks like gold. Very crispy.
Seriously, what are the stuffing inside? So these have cashews and
Yeah.
potatoes.
Yeah. The paneer stuffing is nice. How much would you rate? Tell me.
I would rate 10 on 10 because I loved it.
I would rate the gold one 10 on 10 because of the presentation as well as the stuffing. The silver one maybe, just maybe 9 on 10
Better go.
because,
Better go.
Because your filling is not so good. But 9 on 10. Okay, 9.5 on 10.
Okay, that's okay.
There's cashew. Cashew is expensive.
Yes, of course. Cashew is expensive.
What was your first brand collaboration for how much? And right now, is it like at how much?
The first brand which I got is I can't disclose actually, but it's a soft drink. At that time only I lost almost 10 to 12 kgs. But later on, the comments what I got was really bad. You know, you are dieting, you are into fitness. How can you have this sugary drink? How can you promote this kind of stuff? They were just, you know, that hate comments were coming, and I felt very bad.
So almost 6 years, 5 to 6 years. Wow. And then you got your
Yeah,
frap
the first brand I got that time.
So what has been the growth like? But let's say the first brand collab you did at, let's say, give me an idea, like 10 rupees for anybody watching, like a content creator.
Yeah.
They can get an idea, let's say the first brand collab you did at 1000 rupees and now in, let's say, 23 to 25.
Making me to tell everything.
No, I'm just saying that you don't say amounts. If you say the amount, I'm more than happy. But if you don't, but then you can just say, you know, 23 to 25 in this 2 years. If you were charging 1000, now you're charging like 5 times of that.
At that time, I got my first paid for like 500 rupees,
Okay.
which I did. It was like a PR kind of thing. And then later on, I did this movie promotions, everything. I used to get in between like 500 to 1000, 1500, only this much I used to get. Now it is more.
When did you tell your parents that, you know, content creation is what I want to do?
My mom and dad, they didn't tell me to continue this content creation. They didn't tell. They even hit me. They told me don't do. They made me to stop everything. They even took my phone away. They did everything, every kind of thing to stop me from doing content. I was like, okay, the finance is also not proper at home. It is not stable. So I think it is better to do something. It's to stick on to one thing. So then I started doing YouTube. Then financially I was stable. Then my mom and dad thought, okay, she's earning something. It's okay. Even now, nobody knows how much I earn, what I do. But people only know. All my families, knows that. I simply roam around. I simply travel. I simply waste money. They think only that, but they don't know that I travel to make contents.
That is, I think, something people don't understand.
Yeah.
What is the entire process from scripting to the final post? Like, do you have a process that you follow?
I get content ideas only at night after 12 o'clock. I don't know why. Before that, I'll be sitting and thinking what to do. I'll not be able to do anything. But if I start 12 o'clock, if I get any idea, I'll get up and go to studio. Like at home, I have studio setup also. I start shooting till morning 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock I shoot. Then I only edit. I do all setups. I do lighting setups. And everything I do.
What are the top 3 editing apps that you use on phone?
InShot, VN, and CapCut is in another mobile because it is not available.
Do you also think like that? If I post, what will people comment?
I don't think about anything, you know. If I post anything, if people comments, at that time only I start replying, okay, thank you. That time the engagement, you know, it improves. So you have to reply to everyone over that. Even
good or bad?
Yeah.
24/7 on the phone, what is your screen time?
My screen time is more when I do editing works. Other than that, I'll not scroll.
When did your first viral reel happen?
So the reel which I did was about the family situation, and it was about that. Okay, that reel went very viral and I got so much of followers because of that. It reached, I think 13 million, 14 million views. It was like, oh my god.
My god.
So I thought, okay, I should do more on this. But then I thought, no, it will be like a, you know, like it is a depressed kind of content. I don't want that content to go viral.
You were also on a billboard in Mumbai.
Oh, Mumbai is like, you know, it's it is for the entertainment field, right? The Mumbai. So I thought, okay, it's really good what I got the opportunity. Then I just went and we did every shoot and it was like on board.
One misconception that people have about you.
That I have money.
That you have?
Money and I'm rich already. Like people, I have seen people commenting, Varsha, you're already rich. Why you want to do all these things? I'm not rich.
So, enough about content creation and all that.
Yeah.
We'll do a quick game.
Game?
Yeah?
Okay.
So, the
Choose.
game is this or that. You just have to choose one. Dosa or idli?
Idli.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Filter coffee or craft beer?
Filter coffee.
Koramangala or Indiranagar?
Koramangala.
Old Bengaluru charm or new Bengaluru vibe?
Old.
Namma Metro or Rapido, Ola, Uber?
Metro, we can't go for every places. Ola, Uber. Yeah, I choose that.
Yeah. Men for life or no men for life?
A good man for life.
Looks or personality?
Personalities.
Rajnikant or Kamal Hassan?
Rajinikanth?
Yash or Allu Arjun?
Yes.
She's like, Yash.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
Rashmika Mandana or Sai Pallavi?
Oh, this is really a
Oh.
tough one. Because Rashmika is from our town.
So is it like Rashmika
Pallavi.
is from my place but I like Sai Pallavi more?
Yeah, it is because she came to industry first, so I'll choose by that way. So the senior first, Sai Pallavi.
Oh,
I
wow,
actually
nice. 9 to 5 job or content creator for life?
Content creator.
Sambar or chutney?
Chutney.
Clubbing or fine dining?
Fine dining.
MG Road or Com Street?
MG Road.
Fame or peace of mind?
It is really tough. Okay, since I already have fame, I choose peace of mind.
Plain dosa or weird dosa?
Plain dosa, huh? No, we are
She's like typical Bangalorean, plain dosa please.
yeah, Kali dosa.
Okay, now the last one. Cafes or breweries?
Cafes.
That's it. Thank you so much. So where are we going next?
Do you like ice cream?
I love ice cream.
So it's going to be ice cream dosa.
What?
Yeah.
What? Let's
There's
do
no
it.
going back because you accepted this challenge and you have to finish this challenge.
Shit man, I regret it now. Wow man, and finally
Is
the
it?
viral, you know, I've seen videos of this, like a viral ice cream dosa,
True?
but I don't know how this is gonna taste. So there's chocolate on top of this.
Is it?
Okay, so this is vanilla, I think.
You like vanilla? Okay.
I like vanilla. So Varsha, rate it from on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the worst and 10 being the best.
You remember we had chocolate dosa in the morning?
Yeah.
I'll forget that. I
Yeah.
remember this. This is really good. And I would rate like 10. 10 on 10.
10
It's
on
really
10?
good. Yeah.
Is it that good?
It is.
It's nice.
It's nice. I told you
Very
it's
nice.
I think you guys have to try this.
But maybe I would rate it a 1 on 10.
Is it? But I love it. Like, I love it. I love it.
Because I think it's just, for me, honestly, it's just too sweet.
Ha.
And I am not a very sweet person. I think that is the reason.
Yeah.
I'm not really getting along with the flavor. But there's dosa also. Does a Bangalorean approve of an ice cream dosa?
Dosa is also known as pancakes.
Wow, I like how she's trying to justify. I will
Try
try
with
with
chocolate.
chocolate.
Yeah. I think it's a jam. You know? That's okay.
But maybe because I'm I don't like so much of sweet.
You're not sweet person, so
I'm salty.
Yeah.
So Varsha, what do you think? Like, what is the dating scene like in Bangalore? Like, have you used any dating app or something like that?
no, I haven't.
Nothing?
No.
Don't lie.
No, I haven't used.
Haven't used?
It is actually difficult to find a loyal partner. You know, like see, you are from Kolkata, from here. Have you found anybody?
I don't understand. Why does she always get back to me, man?
Say, have
But
you?
I have not tried, honestly. I have not tried.
So because you're scared.
See, with me, I'll tell you. The point is, I am not really very. Online thing is not like my thing, honestly.
Yeah,
So,
so-
I would rather meet people in person, and I'm more comfortable that
So
way.
that is the thing. See, like everyone, I don't know about men, like, but we women, like, we need to meet in person. Then only we'll know about that. I have seen so many like incidents happening, right? On app they met on app, and then again she'll get to know that he's already married, but he's on app.
Oh.
So I don't suggest that app.
Okay,
App things.
okay, okay.
No.
What are 2-3 factors that you look for? She's blushing, man.
She's going way too personal, where nobody knows it. I actually look for height.
Okay.
You should be tall. And
Pankha saaf karana hai?
no. At least like because I'm height, like I'm tall enough. So I think
okay.
caring and
His nature, like, should be caring.
yeah, nature, and especially from her hometown.
Are you seeing someone, or is it like a mystery? Like,
Rukmini is like revealing everything of me. No.
okay, so that's a mystery then. We understand.
Yes.
Do you love traveling?
Yes.
Like, tell me one travel hack.
I do love traveling. The traveling hack is, you know, you should not be like in fear to travel, and you should know to communicate.
What is
Yeah.
the best place that you have traveled?
Till now, Thailand.
Nice.
Yeah, Thailand is really good. They only say one particular place when we say Thailand, but there are so many. Don't laugh.
I got you.
There are so many beautiful places. You can go to Phuket, so that is very beautiful. They have beautiful islands called Phi Island, and there are a few more islands. But I personally like Phi Island. So
What is one snack that you carry usually when you're traveling? Like anything like that?
I sometimes carry almonds or protein bar. That's it.
That's nice. I mean,
Yeah.
easy to have,
Yeah.
like especially when you're very hungry.
Yes.
Like if you have to choose between traveling solo, traveling with friends, or traveling with family, which one would you
Solo.
choose? Solo. I mean, like, how do you think traveling has, you know, shaped your career in content creation? Does that help?
Yeah, it did help because I got so many brands through that also. So
How do you balance traveling and content creation?
when I travel, I'll know, okay, I'll get ready. Okay, so I have to do get the look. So I have this many dresses. I have to do 3 to 4, like 4 dresses. If it is like beautiful dresses, I'll be like, okay, 4 get ready with me, and done. Like that I'll
Wow.
keep. And one like all places transition, and a few mini vlogs. Like that I do.
Is there a constant pressure, like, to create content, or
Yeah, sometimes, yeah. Sometimes it's very much because on my birthday also, my manager, he forced me to submit some brand videos and all. I was
manager?
crying.
Are you watching?
Yes, he is watching.
I think it's a 24/7 kind of thing
Yes.
going on. You're just thinking, editing, scripting, or
Yes.
shooting, or doing
yes,
something.
24/7 working.
Okay, so lastly, Varsha, tell me one travel mishap that has happened.
I missed my flight for like 3 times.
What?
Yeah, 3 times. And for the national, like for the domestic flights. And when it is for international flight, there was this like last call for Varsha. Then I ran.
I thought you were going to say I missed international flight
No,
also.
I didn't miss that.
So, like, you know, finally to end it, we'll do an awesome game, like one last game.
Okay, ready.
It's called Never Have I Ever. Deleted a post because it didn't get enough likes. Chalked an X on Instagram.
No.
What is this? Dated someone just because they were popular.
No.
Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite.
No.
No? Okay, okay.
Because I was also popular. Why should I date
Oh
someone who's
my
popular?
god. Okay. Lied in a brand collaboration email.
Yeah, I did. I'm
happens.
not well. I can't give video today.
Fake laughed in a collab video.
It's a thing.
Ritual. That's our thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Ghosted someone and then watched their story. No?
No.
Had a crush on a fellow creator or influencer.
No.
I like how her face expression goes. It's like, nah, I don't care. Okay, posted something just to make someone jealous.
That is always there. That's always there.
Okay, regretted saying yes to a brandy.
No.
No?
I love my work. So I love working with every brand. So yeah.
Nice. Okay, drunk dialed an ex.
No.
Do you drink, by the way?
No.
That's
Only. No.
Makes sense. Okay, blocked someone and then unblocked them later.
No. If I block, they're always blocked.
And the last one, have you ever done a barter collab?
So many times.
Yeah. Awesome, that's it. Thank
That's
you
it?
so much.
Oh, okay. I should take a bite. Last bite.
Take a bite. I had a wonderful time with you, Varsha, today.
Same.
I mean, like, the entire day was filled with so much fun, yaar. I had a great time.
It was.
Thank you
I
so
didn't feel
much.
like shooting with you like for the
Yeah.
first time. It felt like okay, we know for years and we
Oh
shot.
my
It was
God.
really good. Yeah.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Bye-bye.
See you soon again.
See you.
Bye.